Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JN Coders. We will cover how to integrate an API call into a Flutter application. Let's go with the main dot called a boilerplate of this application. Now remove all codes and start a new project. Add a material package from this library. Call a main function, which is an entry point of Flutter application. Insert a run app property and create a widget called my app. Define a class called a stateless and insert a specified widget. Return material app property. This property contains a home widget. Inside this widget, write a home screen. Go to lib and create a folder called screen. Inside this screen, generate a file called homescreen.dart. Start with a material package. Create a new class called stateful and insert a specified name. Let's return a scaffold and insert an app bar widget for heading preview. Import the home screen to link with the main file. These lines are showing const constructor errors. So go to the analysis option file where we fix the const constructor errors. Perfect. Create a function. Now import an HTTP package. So go to the pub.dev URL. Click on installing. First, copy this package name. After installing, this package is showing in a spec.yaml file. Let's paste it into a terminal. Click enter. Installing now. Let's import the HTTP package and write as HTTP after inverted column. Inside a function, use HTTP package and link to this get property. To access a dummy API, use this URL. Let's copy this API link. and hit on this URL property. It will take some time to return a response from the server. So use await. A response contains a header, a body, and different properties. So once I get a body, to initialize API data, use init state function and check response in debug console. This data is shown in a string format. Now convert string data into JSON format. So use JSON decode. Perfect. Go to lib and create a new folder called models, and inside that generate a file called usermodel.dart. Then generate a model from a quick type URL. And paste it into a created class file. Now return this model class with from JSON function. Go to a body section and use the future builder function. Inside this function, use a specified property and insert the created data. Now add a future property for updating data. If information is unavailable from the server, add this indicator. Otherwise, use if condition for available data. Return a list view builder function. Now pass a function inside this item builder. In this item count property, add the required data. Return a list style property and use these widgets for previews on this application. Thank you for joining me on this Flutter journey. Stay tuned for more tutorials on JN Coders. If you have any questions or require further clarification, please feel free to ask.